is everyone doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and feel at home. Yes, guys, I'm outside. Yeah, you can see my background, niko nje. So guys, welcome here and feel at home. To my new subscribers, you're so amazing, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. To my returning subscribers, I love you so much, guys, and I love each and every one of you for supporting your girl here. So guys, today we are going to cook zege. We are going inside the house to cook, and as you know, as our kamutindo, we do process one by one, step by step. We cook, and I show you everything that you need to know and see. So we are going inside the house. Let's go and cook our delicious zege. Enjoy the video and watch to the end. I love you guys. Feel at home. So guys, we are back in the house. These are our main ingredients today. We have carrot, 2 eggs, dania, hoho, onion. On the other side we have potatoes. Tumezitengeneza kama chipo, and we are going to start with them. This is the first main thing that we are going to do. Tunapika chipo kwanza, then we'll be back to this. So let's proceed to cooking. Guys, there we have our chips zikiiva. So we give them time until they are ready, then we shall proceed with the other part of cooking, right? Guys, our chips are ready, so we proceed now to the main cooking. Okay, you can see zinakaa tu vizuri. Yeah, let's go and cook the rest. So guys, utakaanga kitunguu chako. Make sure your onion are cooked. Okay, we cook our onion till they are okay. Once our onion are ready, tutaongeza hoho. Okay, we cook our hoho. We add our carrot. So I grated the carrots, right? We're going to add a pinch of salt to taste. Just stay together. Once they are ready, we will add our chips. Okay, our chips. See, make sure they are apart. See how I'm doing? And then from there, we are going to add our egg. Our egg is ready, so we are going to add it. cube you can add as well. See, I'm adding mine. I think it's ready to flip. Let's see. Yeah, so much ready to flip. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a plate so that we can flip well. Guys, you see our onions have finely cooked. Everything is ready and good. You see, it's so much ready, and that's how we cook it. Super sweet. You see, right now we can flip it without struggle because it's ready. There we have our, what did I tell you? Guys, you can see our end result. It's so sweet, so delicious. Everything, it's okay. I can't wait to eat it. So let me enjoy. Our end result is there. That's how sweet it looks. That's how delicious it looks. So allow me to enjoy my sweetness. You see, oh god, it's so sweet, so delicious. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. Love you so much. Make sure you try this at your home. Cook it for your babies, for your family. You can do it for dinner, you can do it for lunch, breakfast. It can do either way. So bye bye, and see you to our next video. Let me enjoy my cooking. Love you. Mwah.